Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain Flash USDT claims. We'll dive into what these offers typically entail and why they often raise red flags. It's crucial to understand the underlying principles of stablecoins like USDT to protect your digital assets. We'll cover common misconceptions and provide guidance on how to approach such propositions with caution. Legitimate USDT is a stablecoin designed to mirror the value of the US dollar. It's issued by Tether, which maintains reserves to back each token in circulation. This backing is what gives USDT its stability and trustworthiness in the crypto market. Understanding this fundamental mechanism is key to distinguishing real assets from deceptive claims. When encountering Flash USDT offers, look for several red flags. Any claim of unlimited or free cryptocurrency generation is highly suspicious. Scammers frequently ask for upfront payments or sensitive personal data. Always cross-reference information with official project websites and reputable crypto news sources to confirm legitimacy before engaging. Protecting your digital assets requires vigilance. Always use well-established cryptocurrency exchanges and consider hardware wallets for long-term storage. Implement two-factor authentication on all your accounts to add an extra layer of security. Remember, if an offer seems too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.